Good evening. Welcome to St. John's Manor Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Lisa Berardelli.
Let me check. Lisa Berardelli. How do you spell that?
Berardelli.
Thank you, Ms. Berardelli. I see a reservation for a twin room for 2 nights.
Actually, I booked a single room for 1 night.
I'm terribly sorry. I was looking at a different reservation. Let me find the correct one. Ah, here it is. A single room for 1 night.
No problem.
May I please see some ID?
Sure, here's my passport.
Thank you. Breakfast is included and is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining area.
Great, thanks. Can I have dinner at the restaurant this evening?
I'm afraid we don't have any tables available this evening, but you can order room service. Just dial 0 to talk to the reception desk.
Okay, thank you.
Here is your key card and the Wi-Fi password. Checkout time is 11 a.m.
Is it possible to do a late checkout?
Unfortunately, that's not possible, but you can leave your luggage at reception and check out at 12.
That works, thank you.
Is there anything else you need?
Yes, actually, my phone is running out of battery and I forgot my charger. Can I request a wake-up call?
Of course, no problem. What time would you like the call?
At 7 a.m., please. Actually, make it 7:30.
Of course.
Thanks.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let us know. Have a pleasant stay.
Thank you. Good night.